Hey there, it's Lenny Magill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in San Diego, California, and soon to be Nashville, Tennessee. We got a store opening up there in 2020, probably June, July, hopefully. You know, all goes well. Lots of work in construction. But I've got construction videos that are, floating around on YouTube. So if you want to, get an update, please join us. It's pretty fun. Now, today is Custom Gun Day. Just got back from Nashville. Kate said, hey, I've got some guns I'm about to ship out to our customers. Would you like to do some videos? I love doing these videos because I love to see the work that we do. I've got, really some great people working here, not only on the front line, but in the back side, machine shop, gunsmiths, our artists who are, colorizing and doing all the trick work we do on these firearms. So here's I've got 3 guns I'm going to do. I'm going to do one at a time. It'll be 3 separate videos, but they're all on the same day here, first part of November 2019. So this is a Glock 20, and it started off as a plain black Glock. Customer sent it to us. It was just your average looking plain black Glock. And he said, I want to do something special. I've been watching your videos. Thank you very much. And I kind of like this gold theme and gold and black. And, gold and black is, actually a classic combination. Lots of football teams have gold and black, but it's really, really attractive. So he looked at some stuff and he said, hey, kind of work with some of our custom people on the phone, and they came up with a scheme here. Basically, what we've got is the gold slide with a carbon fiber hydrographic finish on the frame itself. So what's really interesting about this one has actually not only been the hydrographic itself, but then it's got a clear coat of kind of a lacquer varnish on top of it to help protect that hydrographic finish. Now, the hydrographic is a film that is applied in water. It's pretty amazing to the frame, and then the clear coat actually protects it so it lasts a lot longer. So if you're going to do a hydrographic and you don't mind the shiny, it really makes it. Now, we can do a matte finish as well, but it does make it last a whole bunch longer. It looks really good too. I mean, very clean and shiny and nice. I mean, it is gorgeous. So a couple other things we did on this gun. He wanted the what we call our speed rail slide. That's what this is, and those cuts there. So we obviously, it's gold, but it's a matte gold. It's not a shiny. It's kind of we bead blasted the slide itself, and then back here. He had us do graphite black color fill on the serrations, which kind of sets off the whole deal. Plus the black barrel and the whole thing kind of gets that black and gold theme going totally. Inside is a tungsten guide rod, which, as you know, helps reduce recoil, muzzle flip. There's a tungsten guide rod right there, and that's one of our most popular items, especially on this Glock 20. That 10mm cartridge is snappy. So the tungsten guide rod really helps reduce a lot of that muzzle flip and a lot of the felt recoil in your hand. So we also have some extended controls that we've done here for this particular gun. First and foremost would be the extended magazine release button. This is the teardrop shape. And you can see it fits nicely. It's a good-looking piece, and it actually not only does it look good, but it really makes it so much easier to access the button. It really makes it easy. So I mean, this is just one of our most popular items. It's much better than the factory plastic tiny little button that comes with the Gen 3 guns because it's a wider platform, gives you a little bit more leverage. You don't have to get on top of it. You can kind of just thumb it a little bit and it works. So you don't have to adjust your grip. That's the main thing. So when you're really trying to change magazines on a regular basis, so if you're doing it frequently, that plastic piece will really dig into your thumb a little bit. And I know by experience. So this pad makes it much easier. The other extended controls we have are the extended slide stop. Now you see that little bubble there. It really makes it easier to manipulate both releasing the slide as well as when you want to just lock it back. It just makes it that much easier. Again, you don't have to adjust your grip to manipulate that button. The extended slide lock is basically a takedown lever. And it's one of our most popular items. It's a $15 item, but it really makes it a lot easier to manipulate this lever to take the slide off. That's basically it. And of course, then our pyramid trigger. And the pyramid trigger is awesome. This is our flat face trigger. It's gold, gold, black. So, but the internal, of course, is black up there, but gold and gold. So I think it's gold, gold, black. That's how we do our nomenclature. Kind of forgetting right now. I don't know why. Been in Tennessee for 3 weeks. So, so there you go. So the pyramid trigger. Now, as you know, the pyramid trigger allows you to have a shorter, crisper, lighter trigger pull. Just that easy. So it's simple, easy, crisp, and great. So this is a gun that we just got done, and it's going to ship out to our customer. Like I said, he sent it to us as a plain black gun. You can do it a couple different ways. A lot of people will send in their old gun and say, hey, help me clean this thing up, and we do. Sometimes people will call and say, you know what, I'm on a brand new Glock 21, and I want you to do that to it. We do all the work, and we ship it out to your FFL, and then you do the paperwork to pick up the gun. That's for new guns. If you have an existing gun and it's already in your name and everything's good and your address and all that good stuff, you can send it directly to us. We do all the work and we send it directly back to you via signed UPS and all that stuff. It's totally legal for you to send your gun to us. Totally legal. It is legal for you to send your gun to us, have us do the work, no matter what the work is, installing sights, no matter what you want to do. We do all the work, we send it directly back to you. There's no other FFL involved. We do all the paperwork on our side, and then we send it back to you. And we have a signed receipt for that when you get it. So that's a great way to handle upgrading your own personal gun that you have right now. If you're looking for a new gun, we've got them all. We'll go ahead and do all the work. We'll send it to an FFL. You go there and pick it up. It's pretty simple. So another custom gun going off to one of our customers. Very flashy, very nice, clean, nice work. On the back here, you can notice we also have a gold slide cover plate to match up. So all fun stuff, all looks great. I guess I should also mention the pins are gold. So, right there's they kind of disappear in this pattern, but there's two right here, 1, 2, and the third pin back here. So all fun stuff, and again, it's all custom. So I don't know if we've ever made a gun that looks just like this. We may never make another one too, but you may like it and say, hey, I want one just like that. So call us. But the key is that you can modify and go which direction you want based upon your personal preference or your theme that you have or whatever team you like, or a lot of people do all kinds of fun stuff based upon events in their lives. So we hope to help you out. I'm Lenny Magill. Just give us a call here at the GlockStore. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.